Hey guys!
I'm Kiana.
I'm Denise and we're two hipster. So today we'll be showing you our makeup looks that you guys request a lot. So yeah, this is the makeup look that we'll show you guys. We'll be showing you my makeup look, which is a bit grunge look that I've been using.
Picture here.
Yeah, I'll see a picture like which one that you guys like commented to show you, and then I'll show you the sunset kind of orangey red. You guys always ask me how I do this. Okay, I hope you like it. Let's just get started. But first thing we do, if we were to go outside, we would first have a kind of a sunblock, which is this one I use. I'll recommend any other sunscreen that works, but just be above 50 plus for the SPF. It's better for your skin. Normally, I know beauty YouTubers always ask to wet your beauty blender thing, but I normally just spray with like the soothing mist. Aloe vera. Next we'll move on to the Perfect Cover BB Cream, which is by Misha. I think a lot of you guys know this one's really good. We've been using it for like years, and we're using it in the color of number 21. Our base don't have much like really crazy base. Like we don't use primer. Actually, we don't use like those baking. We don't do baking stuff. We don't do. In the next step, we actually use concealer. Tarte. The concealer. I think. I know a lot of people use this. They say it's really good. I don't know what's the. Oh, it's in light beige 22B. But I think we actually don't even use much concealer. We just like normally open the cap. There's a leakage here, so we just gotta use. I don't think that I even use it if I don't have like obvious scarring on my face, so I'll just like and yeah, so this is like the base. So now we'll be showing you the eye makeup that we always do. So firstly, I'll just tell you a bit of mine first. Mine is a bit more of the grunge look of it. It's darker and it's like a dark purple shade that I really like. So what I normally use is this NYX Sugar Trip Squad. Okay, I got this for Christmas for my elder sis, and yeah, I really love this. I've been using this for really long, and she's there. And I'm really obsessed with it because look at the colors, it's so pretty. I don't know the names of it. When it came, it didn't have names, but what I do is first thing I get is a light color shade, which this one, it's like a pink, light pink, so I'll just dab it a little and then cover my whole lid with it. For me, I'll be doing the so-called sunset kind of makeup. I bought this NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. So this is like the only one I use. But if you don't have it, you can actually get this 3CE Style Nanda dual color face blush, but actually this is a face blush, but it's powder based, so I actually use it for my eyes as well. After I put it on my lids, I put it under my eye as well. So first I'll just take the yellow one right below here, right at the end, and I'll normally just spread it out like this. Then when I'm done, what I do is I like to use this color. Besides the dark brown, I like to use this color a lot. So this color is kind of like a red, but like a purple undertone to it. I grab it and I put it at the corner of my eyelids towards the end. So I don't know if you can see, but actually I just had the yellow eyeshadow around my eyes. I normally just put it on the top here and actually stretch it out more towards the end. As you can see, I do not have double eyelids, so I have to actually put it more at the top from the whole eye makeup thing to be able to see. But if you have double eyelids, I just recommend you just do right at the bottom here. It's pretty obvious for double eyelids, for those who have double eyelids. So after I do the yellow, I'll move on to the next one, which is just right beside. It's like orange base here. This one. Just take this. And as the yellow one, you can see that I did for the whole eyelid. For this one, we're just going to put right at the end. So now I'll be moving on more to the red tones here. And then I'm going to go on to the dark one. So for the brighter red, this one we're just going to take a little bit. I'm using the blending brush actually, just take a little bit, put it towards the end, and then put it downwards as well. So just blend it upwards. And then for the down one, I'll try to put more right at the bottom. Here. So I did both eyes already, and the next thing you gotta get this. I got a Cosmo brush. I'm not sure what brush it is. I just got it from the drugstore. It's kind of like this like, you know. I'm gonna use these, and what I'm gonna do now is what I like to do to get this look so that I don't have to put like tons of eyeliner and stuff. So what I do is I grab a dark brown color. Doesn't matter what brown color I have, but I always use this dark brown color. Okay, so I got it, and I'm gonna do this. So as you can see, I'm gonna okay, and the next step you gotta do is you gotta take these two colors again. I'm coming so near, but you gotta take this color and this color, so mix it together. So I'm gonna take some of this and this, and then you're gonna go on the top. On this eye, do the same on this eye as well. So I already done it one with the eyes, where I add in the red, the darkest red. So now I'm going to show you how to do for this side. So what you can do is just take the red. This would be like the most important step to actually like show the difference of the color. So take this, just put it right at the end. We don't want to bring it all towards the side, but you want it right to the end here. Put it at the bottom as well. So it's actually like this. You can see there's a yellow base here, and then the orange goes to here and the red to the end. So the next one I'm showing you is the eyeliner. I did not use the liquid eyeliner. This was actually recommended by one of my friends. It's actually the Tony Moly eyeliner. So I'll just take this. My eyeliner is normally thick. What I always do that make it easier is I hold my hair like this, and at the end here I always make a line upwards. Make it sure it's like kind of like. Making sure it's angled, you know, like how, yeah, like if I want to make it sure it's like this, yeah. But for this eye look, instead of using the eyeliner, I'm gonna use a brush, but I use an angled eyebrow brush. I know it's a little thick, it's pretty funny, but I'm not gonna do like the super sharp one. I'm just gonna extend a little bit on the end. So same thing is, I'm gonna take this brush, I'm gonna use the same color just now, the one I mentioned before, the dark brown. I'm going to use this color. And what I'm going to do is just like how you do the eyeliner, but I'm just going to extend a little so that it just gives a bit depth to your eyes. And same thing goes for the other side. So something like this, I don't know if you can see it. Mine is really done because it's really simple to do. I'm not sure you can see it. Honestly, this look is really simple. Normally, on a normal basis with this makeup, what I like to do is just take the lightest shade over here, which this one, and I'll just use like my pinky and put it over the inner corner of my eyes. So that I kind of like the shimmery look of my eyes. So I'll take that and I'll just put it in the inner corner of my eye. Yeah, that is it for my eyes. It's actually very simple. It's just 4 eyeshadow colors plus the eyeliner. So I'll be going on to the next one, which is my blush. Only use this. So I mentioned about this 3CE dual color face blush. You can use this. What I'll do is, for this makeup, I'll normally mix in a few colors. So I'll normally take the orange. Honestly, I'll just dab it right at my cheeks here, and then bring it to my nose. I always put it to my nose. Yeah. It's like our style. It's like that thing. Like I just like it. It's our style of doing our makeup. Like we do it on our nose as well. Okay, this blusher part is where a lot of people always say that we do it too much. Yeah, but we don't really care. We don't care. It's our own makeup style. Everyone has their own style of makeup they want to. I'll take the red here and I'll just put it towards the end. So then I'll blend it together. Same goes for the other side. Put it here. Yeah, that's our blush. What I normally like to do is I'll get like a pink undertone, which is like this or this. What I do is I get the pink, I just grab like a ton of it, and what I do is I start from here, but we do have very pretty similar kind of makeup style. What I do is I get the pink, the really light pink, put it all over my cheek, and I get the darker pink. And what I do is I kind of add it on the side of my cheek so that it brings like a gradient from like dark to light. This is the red. The red I'll use a minimal. What I do is I'll just put it in the middle a little bit. And what I like to do is I kind of like take a blush and I put under my nose a bit. Make it look like I have a cold. But like, I like that kind of look.
Yeah, I
so
didn't know that.
I put I put it over here to make it sound like I have a cold. Today I'm going to use the highlighter because when I use makeup, when I go out I do use highlighter. I'm going to use this hot brush. You just buy a random brush, alright? Because
You use brush, I don't.
I
don't use brush.
But I'm going to use the middle one today to just give a little bit of shiny when I like turn my face and stuff. But yeah, I'm going to use that. So what I do is I just get the brush, you know, and then just slightly do it at my cheekbones. I'm going to take my finger for here and just put it here on my nose. Out of my upper lip. So once you're done with the highlight and the blusher, normally I just finish off with No Sebum Mineral Pack. It's like we both just use I just Innisfree one. Like,
Yeah, I think you guys know this No Sebum Mineral Pack.
she use pack, I use powder.
For us who lives in a really hot and humid place, this pack is like a lifesaver. In fact, I just pat it on areas where I had my BB cream on. I won't touch my cheeks, which is my blusher part, because I still want to give off not a really full matte look. The last one we're doing is actually our lips. So me and Denise, we really like using lip tints. Like we used to like use lipstick, but then it gets really annoying because it gets really dry firstly and then it starts to peel.
Honestly,
And then
I
like,
think
the shade color is just like
both of us has like really sensitive lips. Like I get dry lips so often. Like the weather is so hot and humid here, but like my lips are just like get cracks all the time. I gotta use like what's called Vaseline. I like to mix this or any kind of lipstick with lip tint.
So
colors.
we only use lip tint from Etude House,
Yeah.
which is called Dear Darling Tint.
So if you haven't tried this,
I think
like,
we tried most of the colors.
Yeah, if you haven't tried this, you really gotta try it. Like,
So what we usually do is very simple. Just put it on the lip. I always put the lighter color first.
what I like to do is, because since I'm using like a matte lipstick, lip gloss or whatever, I'm gonna take this and apply it to my lip first.
OR203.
After I have this color on,
I usually just take on another color, which is RD.
it's my favorite.
too.
It's my favorite.
Yes, we do share our lip tints.
Yeah, we do share makeup. So
I'll only take this, put it in my inner lip, just here, a line. Yes. Yeah, it's super simple.
Yeah.
That's why our lips is like, we don't do the, what's that,
I do not need lip liner. I don't
Yeah,
do
we
any
don't do
lip
liner.
plumping. Like
no, we don't do that.
But yeah, what I use for this one, the first one that I put on my lip, the one you see on my lip now, is called Love Me Harder 2 by Follow You 2. I really, really like it. But one thing about it, it's freaking dry, alright? I mean, I put a really like light thin layer. I know my friend one time when she was putting, she put a thick layer. So I'm like, if I put that amount of thickness on my lips, it's gonna be so dry. So what I do is to like making sure it's not dry throughout the whole day is I use, of course, Dear Darling Tea. It's not sponsored, okay guys. Like, it looks like it's sponsored, it's not sponsored, okay? It's called BK801. I'll put the link down below.
So actually our makeup is really simple. We don't really do those crazy kinds, baking, no lip liner, no contour.
Yeah, no contour. I don't know how to do any of that.
I know one
honestly.
thing that we miss, the eyebrows. Okay, let me clarify. We do not do our eyebrows at all. Okay, we just do like a. Now my insert was the correct
Yeah, oh my
word
god.
that we
yeah.
used to do for our eyebrows. We don't have to touch out.
Yeah,
we just have to like clean off the excess hair that's not in the shade.
Yep. Yeah, but you know, our makeup's really simple. Even our eyeshadow blending isn't like the greatest out there. It's honestly just take one color, put it at the end of the eyes, blend it out, you know, put it a little bit under, get some glitter on it, and it's like done.
Actually, before that, before we finish,
Oh, okay.
I totally forgot the last step, but it's just a face mist or any face mist.
Aloe vera, yeah, honestly.
We don't use what do you call it?
Setting spray,
Setting
we don't
spray.
use
We don't use it. We just use a face mist. So I just take these and just spray on my face. and let it dry. Like this, done. If you do realize we should change our hair.
Oh yeah, you see my purple hair. I cut it short. I have purple hair right now, so
Yeah, no more half split hair, just all black because I'm so done dyeing my hair.
girl, she's a
for
bad
now.
bitch.
For now, and I kind of want to have that kind of that bitch
Bad
vibe,
bitch vibe.
black hair.
It's a finished look. I hope you like it.
Yeah, I hope you guys like it. I hope you actually enjoy watching this. If you want us to do more of these kind of videos, just write to us, DM,
Comment down below.
comment down below. If you like it, like, comment, and subscribe to us.
Don't forget to share with your friends if you like it
If you
too.
want us to do more of this, definitely tell us. And we'll do more for you guys.
And honestly, if you try any of our makeup that we do today, like this one that I did on my face and like what Diana did on her face as well, don't forget to tag us in Instagram. I just really hope that you guys enjoy it. I hope that you really will use it in your daily life. Yeah, that's it from us this week. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!